Introducing the FL5 with the Swift Spring Spec R. Let me tell you, it's like a day and night. This thing rides beautiful. Handles the curves way better. The speed, the downforce, man. Everything's improved on the vehicle. I gotta say, if you guys are looking to get some Swift Springs, I say do it. This is the new ride height. The front. With the rear. So with the inside noise, it's pretty much the same thing as stock, honestly. I do have 10,000 miles on the Type R. It sounds the same. It's not noisier, it's not bumpier, it does not rev. It handles great once you take those curves fast.